Ever found yourself caught in a fit of coughing at the worst possible time? You're not alone. Coughing is a common issue we all face, often turning up uninvited, like an unwelcome guest. It can keep you up at night, interrupt your work, and even put a damper on your social activities. Imagine trying to enjoy a movie, only to be drowned out by your own disruptive cough. Or perhaps you've lain awake at night, the silence punctuated by persistent coughing. These scenarios underline the significance of managing coughs, not just for comfort but for overall well-being. After all, who doesn't want a good night's sleep or a peaceful day at work? Surely you've wondered if there's a simple solution within your reach, right at home? Scene script. Say hello to a sweet solution. Honey, a natural cough suppressant. Let's delve into the world of honey, a golden elixir that has been used for centuries to soothe a variety of ailments, one of the most common being the pesky cough. The process of using honey as a home remedy for cough is as simple as it is effective. Step 1. Warm a cup of water. You don't need it boiling hot, just warm enough to make the honey dissolve easily. Step 2. Mix in 2 tablespoons of honey. You can use any kind of honey you have on hand, but raw, unprocessed honey is usually the most beneficial. Stir it until it completely dissolves into the water. Step 3. Sip the concoction slowly. Let the warm, honey-infused water glide down your throat. It's not just the taste that's comforting, it's the entire experience. Honey works wonders for a cough due to its soothing effect on the throat. It forms a protective layer, reducing the irritation that triggers coughing. Moreover, honey is known for its antimicrobial properties. It can help fight off the bacteria or virus causing your cough, contributing to a faster recovery. So the next time you're kept awake by a relentless cough, remember this sweet solution. It's natural, readily available, and most importantly, effective. A spoonful of honey might indeed make the cough go away. Scene script. Next up, a spice that packs a punch. Ginger, a powerful anti-inflammatory. Now we're going to dive into the process of preparing a home remedy using this warming root. First things first, you'll need to peel a piece of ginger. It doesn't have to be big, a chunk about the size of your thumb should be enough. Once you've peeled it, go ahead and chop it up into small pieces. Next, it's time to get that water boiling. Drop the ginger pieces into a pot of water and let it simmer away for about 10 to 15 minutes. This process allows the beneficial compounds in the ginger to infuse into the water, creating a potent brew that's chock full of health benefits. Once the time's up, strain the liquid, discarding the ginger pieces. What you're left with is a warm, spicy ginger tea ready to be sipped and savored. But it's not just about the taste. This humble concoction is a powerhouse when it comes to health benefits. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe irritated respiratory tracts. It's also a natural expectorant, which means it can help your body expel the mucus that's making you cough. And let's not forget about its ability to soothe sore throats, making it a triple threat against the common cough. And there you have it. A simple, yet effective home remedy that's as delicious as it is beneficial. With ginger, you can spice your way to relief. Lastly, we have turmeric, the golden gift of nature. This vibrant spice, hailed from the heart of Asia, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and now it's time to bring its powers to your kitchen. So, how can this golden wonder help alleviate your cough? Let's delve into a simple yet effective home remedy. Step 1. Warm up a glass of milk. Any type of milk will do, be it almond, soy, or good old-fashioned cow's milk. Just ensure it's warm enough to soothe your throat, but not too hot to handle. Step 2. Mix in a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Watch as the milk transforms into a beautiful, golden hue. An inviting sight for sure. But remember, the magic lies not just in the color, but in the healing properties of turmeric. Step 3. Drink this concoction before bedtime. As you sleep, turmeric will work its charm, helping to reduce inflammation in your throat and airways. What makes turmeric so effective? It possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, 2 key factors in reducing coughing. Its active component, curcumin, is a powerhouse in combating inflammation and oxidative damage. In addition, turmeric can boost your immune system, helping your body fight off infections and recover faster. So not only does it provide immediate relief, it also aids in long-term health maintenance. Turmeric, a golden remedy for your coughing blues. So, there we have it, 3 potent home remedies to tackle that troublesome cough. Let's take a moment to recap and consolidate what we've learned. First up, we discussed the honey healer. This sweet nectar is more than just a delicious treat. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective remedy for soothing sore throats and suppressing coughs. By coating the throat, honey helps to reduce cough frequency and improve sleep quality. Next, we delved into the ginger game changer. This spicy root, a staple in many kitchens, is a powerhouse of health benefits. Its anti-inflammatory compounds can help to reduce irritation and swelling in the throat, providing relief from coughs and colds. Plus, it's a natural expectorant, helping to break down and expel mucus, making it easier to breathe. Lastly, we celebrated the turmeric triumph. This vibrant spice, known for its medicinal properties, can help to manage coughs effectively. The curcumin in turmeric has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, which can help soothe throat irritation and reduce coughing. These remedies, readily available in most kitchens, can be a great starting point when dealing with a cough. They can help manage symptoms, improve daily life, and may even offer a tastier alternative to over-the-counter medicines. However, it's important to remember that these are home remedies and are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If your cough persists, it's crucial to seek medical attention to rule out any serious underlying conditions. Remember, the power to soothe your cough might just be in your kitchen.